to a riveting tutorial on how to close a hole. Hi, welcome to DBHandmades. My name is Danielle. I was finishing up my tutorial for the pink unicorn and I realized I needed to make a tutorial on how to close a hole just like this one. Closing a hole might not sound as exciting, but it is pretty darn important when it comes to making amigurumi projects and having them look as professional or as clean as possible. So buckle up and let's learn how to close a hole together. So I just went ahead and finished my last round of decreasing single crochet. So I have 6 stitches in my last round. I'm going to go ahead and do a slip stitch into my last stitch. I'm going to go ahead and get my embroidery or tapestry needle. And then I'm going to show you my favorite way of closing up the hole. I'm going to utilize the back loops only of the 2nd, 4th, and 6th stitches. And how I'm going to do that is, again, we're going to skip the 1st stitch. We're going to go inward on the 2nd stitch and then come out the 4th stitch. And this is all in the back loops only. Don't pull too tightly yet. And then in the 6th stitch, I'm going to go inward. And then I'm going to have my needle come out of the head. And then we're going to pull nice and tight. And that is how I close up my holes. So I've gone ahead and finished up my cute little unicorn. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial today on how to close up our holes for amigurumi. If you'd like me to do a little tutorial like this in the future, let me know down in the comments if you have any suggestions. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you loved watching my yarnie shenanigans while closing up a hole, well, click subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. And until next time, stay safe, happy, and healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!